Introducing the Advin Health Care PTCA Kit, a comprehensive and procedure-ready solution designed to support safe, efficient, and controlled percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty procedures. This complete kit brings together essential components required during coronary interventions, helping interventional cardiologists achieve optimal procedural outcomes with confidence. The Advin Health Care PTCA Kit is engineered to ensure smooth vascular access, reliable device handling, and effective hemostasis throughout the angioplasty procedure. Each component is manufactured using high-quality medical-grade materials and designed to meet international safety and performance standards. The kit typically includes a PTCA connector with hemostatic valve, which allows secure guide wire and catheter manipulation while minimizing blood loss. The rotating valve design ensures smooth device movement without compromising sealing efficiency, enabling continuous procedural control. Also included is a PTCA guide wire, designed to provide precise navigation through coronary anatomy. The guide wire offers an optimal balance of flexibility and support, allowing accurate lesion crossing while maintaining stability for balloon catheter advancement. The inflation device included in the kit enables precise pressure control during balloon angioplasty. With a clear pressure gauge and smooth inflation mechanism, it allows clinicians to inflate and deflate balloon catheters accurately, reducing the risk of vessel injury and improving procedural safety. A manifold or contrast injection accessory supports controlled contrast delivery and pressure monitoring, enhancing visualization during angiography and angioplasty. The transparent components allow clear observation of contrast flow and blood movement. The Advin Health Care PTCA Kit is designed for seamless compatibility with standard balloon catheters, guide wires, and interventional cardiology systems. Its coordinated design reduces setup time, streamlines workflow, and enhances efficiency in the catheterization laboratory. Designed primarily for single-use application, the kit ensures sterility and minimizes the risk of cross-contamination between patients. Each component undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure consistent performance and clinical reliability. At Advin Health Care, we are committed to delivering advanced cardiovascular solutions that support better patient outcomes. Trusted by interventional cardiologists worldwide, the PTCA Kit delivers precision, safety, and dependable performance throughout every stage of coronary angioplasty procedures.